Hi, this is Virginia Kenny, and this is my Oh My Moment video. The Individuals with Disability Education Act of 1997 and 2004, or the IDEA, is aimed at equalizing access to learning for all students, returning independence in learning through technology. This technology is called assistive technology, and it can be anything from a pencil grip to voice recognition software, and it doesn't have to be high-tech in order to be assistive technology. Now, what impact does this have on my current teaching experience? 23 years ago, I became the primary educator of my 3 children, and I began embracing the idea that learning differences should be viewed as potential strengths, whether or not the conventional school environment identifies and celebrates these differences. So reframing my perspective to see disability as just another learning opportunity has already happened for me. Beginning at my time at APU, I've committed myself to creating a classroom culture that celebrates diversity, where all voices are heard respectfully, and to creating a community of learners that thrive in a culture of kindness, a community where we belong to each other and where we lift each other up. I believe this provides a great foundation for inclusion of all learners, regardless of ability or the tools that you need to get the job done. What will I do differently based on what I've learned so far? Well, what I hadn't considered is that assistive technology would impact a general education classroom and in what ways it might do so. But based on what I'm learning so far, I realize that I should have an understanding of how these devices can get integrated. Now I see that I will be called upon to embrace the use of devices in my classroom in order to comply with FAPE and least restrictive environment. I will be called to be trained on the use and functionalities of these devices in order to remove learning barriers for all students. I'll be called to reflect on and determine their effectiveness in returning learning independence to students who use them. I will definitely be prepared to defer to the expertise of SPED instructors at my school in order to gain an understanding of the devices being potentially used. And I will embrace opportunities to understand more deeply how assistive technology and related devices can assist all students in my classroom. Thanks for watching.
Created using Powtoon.